Good morning friends, this is Vikas Kumar from channel VK Updates. In this video we are going to talk about top 10 best attack helicopters. So which are the attack helicopters currently there? Who are the manufacturers of those helicopter? It belongs to which country, which company, and which one are the best attack helicopter? Like we are having several attack helicopters. We are having Chincook, we are having Apache AS-64 Guardian, we are having Black Hawk, we are having Mi-35. So we are having so many different helicopters from different countries. Russia, we are having from USA, we are having from Italy. So which are the best fighting helicopters? That's what we are going to talk in the video. Thank you.